Hey! Honey, look! I drew a picture of Meef!
That is a horrible picture. You know that, right?
Oh, come on, honey. It's not better than you think it is.
No, it is terrible. Extremely terrible picture. It sucks. There's no such thing of Meef anyway.
Oh, yeah, he looks so cute next to Catboy, though.
There's no Meef in Catboy world.
Yes, there is. We could always put Meef with Catboy, honey.
No, if Catboy and Meef ever met, Catboy would beat his ass and throw him in a dumpster, and which would go to the city dump, then eventually off a cliff, and eventually would meet Bill Clinton there. Or maybe Al Gore, I don't know.
But Meef likes Al Gore and Bill Clinton.
Because he's an extreme liberal Nazi communist hippie.
Hey, sweetie, you want some meat?
Catboy, attack!
Meef, run! Oh my god, what the hell is going on here?
Shut up, Ichigo.
I'm not Ichigo! I'm Ichigo!
I just shot you too.
Ah! Oh my god, that's fucking excellent. You shot Ichigo. Nice one. What the hell are you doing, Byakuya? I don't know. I was just walking down the street and I saw some things and I was like, oh, shiny.
Catboy, attack!
Oh, fuck! Run! What the hell? Run, Shishamaru! Run! Oh, crap!
Catboy! Hyper beam attack! Wait, what the fuck do you mean you don't know hyper beam?
Just do a splash attack!
Splash attack.
Just do a splash attack!
I said slash attack, you idiot.
Splash attack!
Slash.
Splash!
It is Catboy, slash attack on her face.
Ah! Hi. No! I cast a spell. I cast flare.
Oh my god, you're blinded, Catboy. Oh my god. Humanity.
I want to cast flare out of my ass.
I will revenge Catboy. By that I mean I'm gonna take Catboy and run away really, really fast and then eventually find somebody else to team up with me. And then we get our revenge on everybody else. Come on, Catboy, we're joining Cobra.
Yeah, but I jumped on top of you. Yay! Honey, I love you. You're so cute. You're so cute.
I love you too. Now you're joining Cobra with us.
Yay, Cobra!
Cobra.
What the hell?
Cobra.
Yaki, are you joining Cobra too? Oh no!